Hello everybody, welcome to our lesson number 15, making sentences plural. In Spanish, we make each word of the sentence plural to make it sound equal and better, and for a group of public and not for a single person. So today we will learn how to make nouns, adjectives, etc. each part of a sentence plural. Let's start with the nouns first. So, a noun ending with a vowel A, E, I, O, U, you can just add an S and make it plural. For example, El jugo. Jugo means juice. So, los jugos, the juices. We made the also plural and we made juice also plural. In the same way, another example, la mesa, the table, las mesas, the tables. Rule number 2. If a noun ends with a consonant, you can add es and make it plural. Some examples for you. El mes means the month. Los meses, we add es. So, the months. El doctor, the doctor. Los doctores, we add es to make it plural as it ends with a consonant. Rule number 3. If a noun ends with a z, we remove the z, add a c, and then we add es. So it is completely ces to the end to make a word ending with z plural. Examples: la voz means the voice. When we make it plural, we will remove the z, we will add ces. So, las voces, voces, the voices. Another example, el lápiz. Then, to make it plural, we will do los lápices. We will remove the z from lápiz and add ces, the pens. Lápiz means pen. Rule number 4. If a noun already ends with an S and the last syllable is unstressed, meaning the last syllable is not very stressed in the way of speaking in the language, we don't change anything. Example, el lunes. Lunes means Monday, already ending with an S. We will not change anything in the word, we will just add the article to make it plural. So it will be los lunes. Another example, el martes, los martes. Again, martes remains same, we just change the article from el to los. As we are covering a couple of rules to make nouns plural, but it is impossible to cover all the rules, so you can join our live sessions for deep dive in the language, and you can email us about the same on bloomlingo@gmail.com. Let's get to the rule number 5, guys. Any noun that ends in an ion, I-O-N, we add an es to it. For an example, that is la canción, the song. It will be las canciones. We add an es. Another example is el emoción. That will be los emociones. That means emotions. Rule number 6. The definite article or indefinite article or any article, and adjectives must match the noun in both gender and number. Small example to explain this better is las chicas altas tienen lápices rojos. The tall girls have red pencils. In this sentence, we have changed the complete words, the articles, the adjectives, everything to plurals. So, all will be ending either with S or an ES as per the rules which I have told above. Rule number 7. When the plural noun refers to a group of people wherein all the genders, masculine and female, in a group of people are there, then we will address this as masculine form and we will put the masculine plural articles. Like, example, la enferma y el doctor son muy tranquilos. The nurse and the doctor are very calm, quiet. So here the nurse is the female gender, doctor is the male gender, but we use tranquilos ending with OS because we will always refer to it as a masculine gender. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. You can reach out to us on Facebook and Instagram with the handle name Bloomlingo. Also, you can email to us on bloomlingo@gmail.com for any inquiries.